Like I was telling you guys yesterday, I wanted to show you what the yard did to the truck. One thing they done was they replaced the headlight bulb pigtail in the truck. The other thing they did was, let me get the hood popped here. Tanya's putting some stuff away. We're getting ready to leave. We gotta go to Springfield, Ohio, and up to Sparta, Wisconsin. But to show you what they done, let me flip the camera around. You see the metal line now looks totally different than what it did at the truck stop. So they put the right couplers on that's supposed to be recalled. So there's two of those they replaced. That's what they did. On the other side of the truck, they this line right here has been replaced. The coupler, that's the heater line for the fuel, to keep the fuel from gelling up. And if you see, there's coolant from where they've done that. But you see how they got this has all been oiled up on both ends. They're saying my popping, cracking sound is coming from right around in here with them leaf springs. They're just moving back and forth. They tightened it all up. But yeah, I think that's gonna fix the problem. But that's what they done. The headlight assembly things in here, what they replaced. But that's what they done. That's what the shop fixed. Hopefully that will fix all the problems that I have with the truck now. And we can get on down the road in 2020 and start making some money. Alright, we're gonna do a pre-trip on the truck real quick. See the headlights that they changed there. So those are the normal running lights. There, and the four ways are working. It's fine. Got a spotter truck moving. Going down here and hooked up my glad hands. Looking to make sure the trailer lights are working. This trailer just came out of the shop, so I picked it up last night when they pulled it out of the shop. So it just got serviced. All locked in, everything should be good. Fluid's good, tires good. Up and around over here. Open up the door, and this is what you see, an empty trailer. Woohoo! Look like I've been banged up a little bit right now. But it's alright. You gotta go pick up the load to Springfield. Brake lights are working on both sides. And four-way turn signal. Cool beans, cool beans. And the turn signal's working there on the side too. So let me open up these wings. Oh, they didn't do a very good job with the what they're doing, but it'll be alright. But go down through here. Checking the tires. And it looks like we're getting ready to go bye-bye. Well, I got the back wing thing fixed that you seen in the video. We're going to, I just got fuel, 58 gallons of fuel, so we can get up here to Springfield, Ohio. To get up to Sparta, we're 83 miles from Springfield, be there about 12:19. And Tanya's getting in the truck now. She's watching her daughter doing her paparazzi sale, which is not a big deal. But we're heading on out. Well, we're here on 68 going northbound, or I think it's northbound. It could be east, I don't know. But we're coming up here to this 334 to go east in Springfield to go to this mustard factory. And we need to make a right-hand turn. Apparently, My GPS wants me to go way up out of the way and then come back down to it. I don't know why it's doing that. It wants me to go all the way up to 72, so you don't need to follow that. Just go up here to 64 to 334.
Following Qualcomm directions.
And we're following the Qualcomm directions from another driver. I'm going to yield. I don't have no trucks or anything coming my way.
Going to Urbana Road.
Going to Urbana Road. And I think this is what the road it's on. Urbana Road. Looks like we're going to make a little zippity zip right here.
And then you're going to take into Mooresville. It's a stoplight.
And then we're going to go to Mooresville Road. It's a stoplight. Since we're about 1 mile away from the place right now. It says it's also well marked.
And it's on the left. It's a place called Woebler, DC.
Woebler.
Woebler. Woebler!
Woebler.
That just sounded funny. Whoa, Nelly, Woebler!
Is that kind of like a Amish men yelling at their horse? Woebler!
Could be. Could be.
Oh, they came up with that name?
Maybe. You got skills there.
Yeah, we are up here in the Mennonite areas. Up here, it's close to it. So we gotta go up here to what road now? Mooresville or something like that?
Uh-huh.
Since we're 0.8 miles away, we gotta make a left.
Traffic light. It says it's on the left.
They were 0.6 miles away, turn left.
All this says is go a half a mile on Urbana to Mooresville Road. We did that, right?
No, we're still on Urbana.
That's what I mean, we're doing that. And then it says that the DC's on the left.
Well, this must be Mooresville Road here. Turn left, this time we turn here.
But there it is, I'll be damned.
Hey, it is Woebler. Look at that. Apply today.
We don't have time for that. Then they probably want an on-the-spot interview.
Yeah.
We don't have time.
It says nobody can walk over here to Woeblers.
They're looking for full and part-time people.
Yeah, that's what it says.
Why commute? Stay local. We're commuting.
Huh. Well, how do we... This is interesting.
You're asking questions that I don't have answers to.
The road just ends. Look at that. Ain't that some Woebler stuff?
Hey, we need to get some Woeblers condiments while we're here. Whoa.
Look like that Woebler guy is about to fall off the truck.
I think he's hanging on by a thread.
Man, I think he's hanging on for dear life here. So we're gonna go over here by this Premier
They got
truck.
horseradish.
Yeah, horseradish.
Horseradish. Fuzzy mustards. All kinds of good shit.
So I'm gonna park right here. It looks like this is pretty much all you got right here.
Looks like when we bump it.
Stop and go over there to the little outer part of the building and call it a day. See right there by the outer building?